Testament, as we stated. Yeah. So one of them sacrifices himself by going into the body of Jesus Christ when, well, we have to look into the Gnostic Gospels. And when we look into the Gnostic Gospels, the Gospels that didn't make it into the Bible, in order to kind of complete the picture, we find that the idea of Jesus not being crucified is not in Islamic. Now the Quran is truthful, and Jesus didn't suffer, and Jesus's prayers were accepted by God as he prayed in the New Testament, and so that also is true. And it makes sense now because there is a righteous soul that is in the body of Jesus in those final hours, who's speaking these words. And it makes sense now that he's looking at Mary, and instead of calling Mary his mother.
Before you say I took it out of context, he replied to somebody himself and said the soul of Jesus was not in his body when he was crucified. He's literally saying that Yeshua was not crucified. Every part of Yeshua that was crucified was Yeshua. His physical body, his spirit, his soul. And the only time that his spirit and soul left his body was when he died. So your boy teaching that an angel took his place within his body, that's high-level heresy. And that's demonic. And yes, I know what I'm talking about. And yes, I speak by the true Jesus. I have a verifiable track record, and your false prophet doesn't. But what he does have is lying signs and wonders. My God defeats your God any day. Now, for those that want to learn more about the biblical Antichrist, I'm sending out a 3-day class at the end of this month on the subject. We're going to be going over the little horn, investigating his ascent to power. Not saying that the guy we just watched is the Antichrist. Could he be? We'll see. I don't know. But I'm just solely speaking about the actual Antichrist, which is the real Mahdi. Could he be the real Mahdi? I don't know. But the Mahdi himself is the Antichrist. We're going to talk about the rise of AI and its role in prophecy, the generation of the beast, examining beast technology, and more. To be added to the email list, click Ironic Learning in my bio. And if you're on YouTube, you could click the Ironic Learning link in my bio as well. It's a pre-recorded class you could watch anytime you want when it's sent out at the end of the month.